right? The question is, earlier you did say DDR SD RAMs are dividing into 5 sections, right? So my question was, what are the generations that belongs to the particular types of DDR SD RAMs? You said DDR SD RAMs are dividing into 5 sections as DDR 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. So my question is, what are the generations that belongs to the particular types of DDR SD RAMs? Who can give the answer for this?
Sir, pota eka I'm පැහැදිලි කරලා දෙන්න නිකන් ගියක් වගේ.
Ingi back. I'll explain you the I'll tell the question. Ingi, then බලන්න. So when you all are discussing about the DDR SD RAM, you all said these DDR SD RAMs are dividing into 5 sections, 5 types. DDR1 DDR1 SD RAM, DDR2 SD RAM, DDR3 SD RAM, 4 SD RAM, 5 SD RAM, like that, right? So earlier I said, when we were discussing about the RAMs, I said these DDR SD RAMs are dividing into particular sections, particular types by the generation. Due to the advancements of the technologies, these DDR SD RAMs has few turning points on its technology. By the particular turning points, these DDR SD RAMs are dividing into 5 sections. Also, these DDR...
Sir, you are asking the turning points.
Yes.
What about DDR2 and DDR4?
No, I want. To which generations? I wanted to know to which generation are these, to which generations belongs to particular RAM types.
The first generation manufactured was 1998 and it consumes 2.5 or 2.6 volts.
Yes. Which RAM type belongs to the first generation?
DDR1.
Yes, correct. Then which RAM type belongs to the second generation?
DDR2 SDRAM.
Which RAM type belongs to the third generation?
DDR3 SDRAM.
Then which RAM type belongs to the fourth generation?
DDR4 SDRAM.
Then what about the remainder?
DDR5 SDRAM.
To which generation it belongs?
Fifth generation.
Now remember.
So that's what I told before.
So, but you didn't tell me this is belongs to first
Okay,
generation.
okay, sir, I got it. Got it, sir.
Got it, right. Understood, Naomi?
Yes, sir.
Jehan? Understood it?
Yes, sir.
Janindu, Akash?
Yes, sir.
Then next chance is, I'm going to give the next chance to Dulanjana Harit.
Memory hierarchy is device, computer memory device in two types.
Yes.
Memory, storage memory and storage storage. Sorry, sir.
Hurry. Okay, come on.
Secondary storage memory.
Oh, come on, come on.
Primary storage memory device in three part: RAM, DRAM, SRAM, ROM.
Right.
DRAM is divided in three parts: SDRAM, RDRAM, DDRAM. DDRAM is divided in five parts: DRAM 1, DDRAM 2, DRAM 3, DDRAM 4, DDRAM.
Right. I heard it a little. I think you have a little matter with your connection. Isn't it? එහෙම නේද? චූටි ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනව නේද පුතේ connection එකේ? You have a little matter there.
Yes,
No
sir.
problem. No problem. But you gave the answer correctly. What about the secondary storage devices?
Device in three parts. Second is magenta storage media, optical storage memory, solid state device. Finish. Finish.
Right. Okay. As I heard, you are correct. You better, what you have to do is better revise everything. Did you find all your early notes? කලින් notes ටික ඔක්කොම ගත්තද?
Yes, sir.
Right. So if you do not have a time to write down everything, you better take printouts. ඔයාට මිස් වෙච්ච ඒවා ඔක්කොම ලියා ගන්න විදියක් නැත්නම් printouts අරගන්න. Right. Okay. Then Matisha Lakindra, good evening. Do you have power now?
දැන් ආවා.
කොයිද මූණ පේන්නේ නැහැනේ මට. I didn't.
ආයෙ ගියා.
I hear. So when I am asking you to show your face.
ආවා.
Okay. Anyway, can you give me an explanation regarding the memory hierarchy? Do you remember the memory hierarchy? Matisha? Memory hierarchy මතකයිද?
මොකද්ද සර්?
Memory hierarchy?
Memory hierarchy?
Did you stay with us on last class? අන්තිම class එකේ අපිත් එක්ක හිටියා නේද? අන්තිම class එකේ හිටියා නේද අපිත් එක්ක? Did you or not? Naomi හිටියා නේද?
තාම කල්පනා.
Matisha හිටියා නේද?
මම ඉදියේ.
As I remember, you did stay there. Yahan, was he there?
Matisha ද?
Oh,
නෑනේ.
නෑනේ නෙවෙයි දැන් group එකේ recording එක දාලා තිනවා අන්තිම දවසේ කරපුවා බලන්න recording එක. කවුද හිටියේ කවුද නැත්තේ කියලා පේනවා recording.
එහෙනම් ඇවි.
ඒ වුණාට දන්නේ නැහැ. ලිව්වෙත් නැද්ද දන්නේ නැහැ. What did we draw in the last class?
ටේබල් එකක් ඇඳා. memory hard. තියෙනවා සර්.
primary storage memory, secondary storage
Oh,
memory,
ඔය ටික
RAM,
අරන්
cache
මේ
memory, SRAM,
මතීෂ,
ROM,
you better keep safely those notes on your shelf. It's more than enough. Don't revise before the class. මං කියලා තින්නේ. හැබැයි මේ සැරේ මං
Okay,
ලකුණු
sir.
දෙනවා parents ලට. In this time, I told you I'm going to give you all an assessment next Sunday. මම අඟහරුවාදට තිවිච්ච එකත් ආයේ ඊළඟ සන්ඩේට දැම්මා. අඟහරුවාද නෙවෙයි සන්ඩේ කරන්නේ. තව ඔන්න කාලේ දුන්නා. On this time, I'm going to discuss the marks.
Can you
With-
repeat it? Because I didn't hear.
Yeah, I'm going to give you all an assessment on next Sunday, not this Tuesday, on next Sunday. ඊළඟ ඉරිදාට තමයි not Sunday, Saturday, sorry, Saturday. Our class is on Saturday, no, Saturday 5:30. Assessment එක දෙන්නේ not 5:30, 6:30. Saturday තමයි assessment එක දෙන්නේ. But when I was this,
මුලින්දම දෙනවද?
oh, from the beginning to up, from the beginning to most recent lesson that we finished. Okay.
Okay,
Ah.
sir.
Oh, but the thing is this: when I am discussing your marks, I am arranging a parents meeting. In a parents meeting, I am discussing the
Oh.
marks. So therefore, I don't want you all to
අපි අනුරාධපුරේ යනවා.
The last bit.
huh?
I don't like the last bit.
Nothing to do because it must. දැන් මේක අපි මම කරනවා අපේ හැම දරුවෙකුටම හැම ක්ලාස් එකකටම I did start with my O level guys. It was more successful. ඒක ගොඩක්ම success වුණා. එතකොට අර කට්ටිය මේ පොත් ටික පැත්තක තියලා තියෙනව අහුවෙනවා. Some of our guys, what they are doing is after doing the note, after doing the lesson, they are keeping their book on the shelf. Again, he is taking the book on the next class date. It's a common issue, it's usual matter. So, but I want to give a little medicine to the particular usual matter. මට අර චූටි බෙහෙතක් දෙන්න ඕන මේකට පොඩ්ඩක් හරියට. චුට්ටි බෙහෙතක්. Then you all can go ahead successfully.
Sir, I usually face that matter because they are giving school works now. I have to do the work to Senuda also.
Anyway, you all have more time up to next Saturday. ඊළඟ Saturday වෙනකන් කාලේ තියෙනවා. ඊළඟ Saturday වෙනකන් කාලේ තියෙනවා. අපි කරලා තියෙන්නේ lessons ටිකයි බොහොම ටිකයි. ඒ ටික හොඳට අපි ගොඩක් හිමීට ගොඩක් හොඳට කරලා තියෙනවා. ඒ නිසා ඒව බලා ගන්න. අමාරු දේවල් නෑ. ඇත්තටම හරියට කරා නම් පාඩම් කරන දේවල් නෑ. දැන් බලන්න මම අහන හැම ප්‍රශ්නයකටම යහන් කොහොමද උත්තර දෙන්නේ? How Naomi is answering for the questions. How Senuka is answering for the questions. So now Dulanjan also answering for the questions. So therefore, no excuses.
මම ආවේ නැහැ.
I know your absence. No excuses. No excuses. Because I am dealing with your parents.
කවදාද තියෙන්නේ?
ලබන සතියේ සෙනසුරාදා. තව සතියක්
ළඟ වැඩි නේ සර්.
නෑ ළඟ වැඩි නෑ මං ගිය සතියේ කිව්වේ. ගිය සතියේ කිව්වේ මේ සතිය දෙනවා කියලා මේ එන අඟහරුවාද දෙනවා කියලා තමයි මං ගිය සතියේ කිව්වේ. ඔන්න මං ඒක තව ටිකක් දික් කරා සෙනසුරාදා වෙනකම්.
සෙනසුරාදා අපි අනුරාධපුරේ යනවා.
මට ඉතින් මෙහෙම ඔය excuses වැඩක් නැහැ. අන්තිමට ලකුණු අඩු වුණාම parents ලා මගෙන් අහනවා ඇයි ලකුණු අඩු කියලා අනිවාර්යෙන් අහනවා parents ලා. මොකද parents ලා class එකට එවන්නේ.
ආපු නැති අයට no marks ද?
ආ?
ආපු නැති අයට marks නැද්ද?
ආපු නැති අය කොහොමටත් මෙහෙම ආපු නැති අය ඊළඟට මේ group එකට එන්න වෙන්නේ parent එක්ක.
අයියෝ.
That's it. On the next day, the absence guys, parents will be put them to the group. Parents ලා තමයි ඒක දාන්නේ. මේක ඔයාලත් එක්ක වෙන ඩීල් එකක් නෙවෙයි. ඒක parents ලා තමයි ඔයගොල්ලෝ group එකට දාන්න ඊළඟ දවස්. parent ඔයාලත්
පොඩි ඔවුල
එක්ක තමයි group එකට එන්නේ. අම්මා හෝ තාත්තා. ඒක නිසා වැඩේට ලෑස්ති වෙන්න. වැඩේට ලෑස්තිලා වැඩේ උඩින් ගොඩින් බේරගමු. එතකොට ඉවරයි. අපරාධ දෙමව්පියන්ගේ කාලෙත් ගොඩක් අපි නාස්ති කරන්නේ නැතුවනේ. නේද? ඒ නිසා ඒ විදිහට කරගමු වැඩේ උඩින්. right.
අපේ තාත්තා කොළඹ යන අම්ම ගමේ යන ඊළඟ දවසේ.
ඔව් නෑ කමක් නෑ තාත්තා මට ඕන තැනකදී කනෙක්ට් වෙනවා ඒක කිසි ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ. අපි දෙන්නට anytime අපි ගාව තියනවා ඒකට කන්ටැක්ට් කරගන්න විදියක් තාත්තා සහ මට. ඔයා දන්නේ නැති විදියක් තියෙනවා. තාත්තට සහ මට ඉක්මනට සම්බන්ධ වෙන්න. ඒ විදියට අපි දෙන්න
ෆෝන් එකෙන්
ඕනෑම වෙලාවකට ටක් ගාලා සම්බන්ධ වෙනවා. ෆෝන් එකෙන්ද මොකෙන්ද කියලා වැඩක් නැහැ. කොහොම හරි අපි දෙන්න සම්බන්ධ වෙනවා ටක් ගාලා. ඒක නිසා ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. right okay.
සර් මේක රෙකෝඩ් කරනවද?
Yes, I am recording this.
ඔව්.
Each and every classes I am recording because today Anjani absent. Senuka at the very beginning Senuka said he has a matter by the power. Therefore I started to record the particular lesson. Right? Okay, now we'll jump up to the lesson. I want to start a new lesson today. Yes, Desandi, how are you? Yes, welcome to our class. Welcome to our ICT class. Here you all have lots of friends. If you agree with me, then I can put you onto the group. Then you can share the matters and early notes with your friends. Also, you can share the. Wait a minute. What do you want? I gave that. Right. Also, you can share the video lessons of ours. When you missed some class, you can share. I will share all the past recordings in the group. So you can do lots of things by the group. Okay, Desandi?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you better switch on the video if you like. If you prefer, you better switch on the video. Everybody, switch on the videos. Dulanjana has a little matter because he is joining to the class from Ampara. I know he has lots of signal matters. Therefore, I can give him an excuse. Most of the days he is switching on the video. But others. ඔන්න දුලංජනත් ආවා ටක් ගාලා අම්පාරේ ඉඳලා. Very good. Very good. Okay. Right. Today we are going to start a new lesson, but before start the new lesson, I want to ask a question from an early lesson. I want to ask a little question from an early lesson. අපේ කලින් පාඩමකින් පොඩි ප්‍රශ්නයක් අහන්න තියෙනවා. About the processor. When we were doing about the processor, I did teach you that how to do the particular executing tasks inside the processor. I have already explained you that how to do the execution tasks inside the processor, how it's happening. How it's happening.
Data information වලට වෙන්නේ එකද?
So when we were discussing about the processor, I did explain you all that how the particular executing tasks inside the processor are happening. Yes, Yahan and Senuka has already raised the hands. What about others? Akash, Matisha, Naomi, 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 Akash.
Data instruction දීලා accessing data නේ.
Again, Ahan Nepa. I have already teach you.
What is the question? Can you repeat it clearly?
Yes. So I want to know from you all that how to how the process, how the execution task inside the processor is happening.
Okay, sir.
Right? Yes, who's going to? Yes, Sehan? Explain me.
CPU is the CPU has three parts in the CPU. They are control unit, memory register, logical.
Sir,
Wait, Senuka, wait. We'll let him say. We'll let him say. Wait a minute. I will let you say. Wait a minute.
ඉතින් මට දැන් අන්තිමට තමයි.
නෑ. එහෙම වෙන්නේ. බලමු. යහන් හිර වෙලා ඉන්නේ. යහන්ට මතක නැති වෙලා.
සර් හොඳටම දන්නවා කියන්න දෙන්නකෝ.
Yes, Senuka, you help him.
First, we input the data by keyboard and mouse. What brings into the motherboard by binaries. CPU consists three parts. One is CU control unit, ALU arithmetic and logical unit, and other is memory registers. If the task is given by the user is opening of a program or something, the CU controls it. If a logical function came by binaries, the CU gives that sum to ALU. Then ALU doesn't have much space. ALU keep the sum in the memory registers. Then solve it. After solving it, gives by it gives to the CU, and it deletes the particular information in the memory registers, and the CU gives it to the RAM to display the monitor. or writing in an optical drive or some other thing.
Yes, good. Good, Senuka. Now, Rehan, remember? Podakin. Now, remember that?
Yes, yes.
Okay, now wait a minute. Now we'll let Naomi also raise the hand. We'll let Naomi to tell this. Thereafter, finally, I'll let you say it again. Yes, Naomi, this is your chance. Naomi, are you
No,
there?
Sir,
sir.
what is question?
Huh?
Sir, what is question?
Question is, what is the working process of the processor? What is the working process of the processor? How the execution tasks are happening by the processor? That's the question. I think you also can answer me.
Sir,
Yeah, Puda.
I found some mistake in my, can I say it again?
Yes, very good.
First, we input the data by mouse and keyboard, but brings into the motherboard by zeros and ones, which calls binaries. This data is given to the RAM, DRAM, the random access memory. Then the cache memory take the essential data for the CPU to execute. Then CPU is taking to the data to the control unit. If user gives a task to open a program, the CPU processes it alone. If a sum comes, like solving matters, it gives to the ALU, arithmetic and logic unit. This ALU doesn't have much space, so it keeps the particular information given by the CU in the memory registers. After the ALU done the process, it is given to the CU, which then ALU deletes the memory registers data. Then CU gives it to the RAM to display it on the monitor or writing it on the optical drive.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Very good. Very good. Actually, I really appreciate to catch up your errors. I really appreciate you for catch up the errors. Okay. Yes, Naomi, I got your message. Every time he is having a problem. Sometimes it's thundering to him. මේටත් ගොරවන. මේටත් ගොරවන. Anyway, if it's happening highly, we'll try to do something. ආකාශට light ගිහිල්ලා. ඕක තමයි ප්‍රශ්නේ. So we have to continue these classes among lots of barriers. මේ ගොඩක් barriers අතරින් තමයි අපිට මේක යන්න වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. Sometimes we don't have power, sometimes we don't have data, sometimes raining, sometimes lightning, thundering. So anyhow, we have to achieve our target. Anyhow, you all have to achieve your target. Okay. Yes, Naomi, can you right, Akash? Okay. If you cut the class, I'll put you the recording. Naomi, I have already put the recording to you also into the group, to you and Senuka. You better
Yes, sir.
follow up those things. Both of you better follow up those things. Dulanjana, you also follow up the particular videos, Puta. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If you want, please give me the dates that you absent. Send me the dates that you absent, then I'll put the particular videos. Okay. මට බලලා dates ටික දාන්න ඔය absent වෙච්ච හරියටම පුතේ. මම මේ videos ටික ඔයාලට දාන්න. videos එකක්වත් miss කරන්න බෑ. Okay. මම videos ටික ඔයාලට දානවා. මට dates එක බලලා දාන්න ඕන. තුලංජන පුතා please Right. Naomi, are you ready to give me the explanation?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, good.
There are three sections in the processor as control unit, ALU, memory register.
Hmm.
Control unit is the major part of the processor. It can control the hardware components and software belongs to computer system.
Yes, very good. Come on.
It control all the task of the processor. It can analyze data and instructions to the processor for
Yes.
the processing task.
Hmm.
It checks all the processor data in the it process data or information to execute the task inside the processor. To send the ALU is stand for arithmetic and logical unit. It is the unit which handles mathematical and logical scenarios like addition, division, multiplication.
Yes. Come on. Go ahead. Very good. Come on. That's what I want.
And the memory register is using when when execute the particular task,
කොහොම හරි game එක ගොඩ දාගන්න. Very good.
when execute the particular task to store data and instructions temporarily. They access the memory register to retrieve the data and instruction. What they access the they access memory register to retrieve the data and the instructions what oftenly required for the particular process.
Okay. Anyhow, you done the target. කොහොම හරි target එක achieve කරා. හොඳයි පුතේ. But the thing is, you better revise your notes. Better revise your notes. Better revise our discussions. You can. You know that. Otherwise, you can't give such an explanation. නැත්තම් ඔයාට ඔය වගේ විදියට කොහොම හරි කියන්න බෑ. You know that. So what you have to do is don't give it up. Make a give up කරන්න එපා. Don't give up this. Please. You better go ahead with this. මේකත් එක්ක යන්න ඉස්සරහට මේක. Please don't give up this. Yes, Ehan, this is your chance. Quickly do it because we have to jump up to the new lesson.
When keyboard and mouse giving data to the through wires or any parts using binary method or machine language, it took to the motherboard and goes to the DRAM. DRAM construct and access the data, and DRAM to SRAM and analyze and access data, and SRAM to CPU. In the CPU, they have three parts. They are arithmetic and logical unit, CU or control unit, and memory registers. When get CU is the major part of the CPU. SRAM gives the data using binary method. CU construct, access, analyze the data, and analyze. ALU, arithmetic logical unit, means that measure or analyze data that belongs to mathematical operations. And memory registers mean that store data belongs to clipboard and etc. When SRAM's data comes to the CPU, it's expressed and analyzed and access data, and it goes to the directly to the process data directly to the DRAM, and DRAM construct and data. DRAM took data to the output devices like monitors and speakers.
Yes, very good. Especially Jehan